Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share something brand new with you today. This year we are kicking off a fun, exciting series called What's Next, Dominique? Where throughout the year we will be doing something completely new. It could be anything from a new experience or hobby to exploring a brand new skill. And I cannot wait to bring you along for the ride. So why did I decide to do this? Well, a couple of reasons. First of all, it's a bit science inspired. Studies have shown that trying new things can actually help slow down our perception of time. Remember as kids how summer vacations actually felt like they lasted forever? Why was that? Well, we were constantly learning, we were discovering and experiencing brand new things for the very first time. But as we get older, well, it feels like life speeds up. Days blur together and we tend to fall into our routines. And then we utter sentences like, "Where does the time go?" Plus, there's more. Learning something new is also great for our brains. Studies from the Alzheimer's Association shows that learning new skills or hobbies can strengthen those neural pathways and may even help to delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Activities that challenge the brain, things like maybe picking up a musical instrument, learning a new language, or even trying a new sport. All of these can boost cognitive function and overall brain health. So by stepping outside of our comfort zones, we're not just having fun, but we're also supporting our long-term mental well-being. So I thought, why not shake things up and bring some of that youthful excitement back into our lives? So throughout the year, I will be, stepping outside of my comfort zone to try something brand new and sharing it with you, and in some cases, even doing it with you. Whether it is a new fitness trend or a creative skill, even trying an adventure activity, this series is all about discovery and growth. But this isn't about me. I want to hear from you. What is something that you've always wanted to try, but you just haven't gotten around to? Or maybe there's something new that you've done recently that you think, I should give it a go. Okay, all you have to do is drop your suggestion in the comments, and who knows, it just might be featured in an upcoming episode. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss one episode of What's Next, Dominique. It's coming up on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I cannot wait to hear your ideas. What do you say we make this year unforgettable, one new experience at a time? Let's get into the first episode. Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of What's Next, Dominique? I am so excited to kick off this series with you, my incredible community, right here at Painting with a Twist. So why start here? Well, this series is all about exploring the next chapter of life together, embracing new experiences, and really finding joy in possibly unexpected places. And let me tell you, art is one of those experiences that is so much more than just paint on canvas. A new study from the National Endowment for the Arts highlighted the profound benefits of art classes for older adults, including increased mental engagement, enhanced physical activity, stronger relationships, fewer doctor visits, even reduced falls. Who wouldn't want that? Plus, hey, art is just plain fun. So grab your brushes, pour yourself a little inspiration, and let's dive in. Here's to trying new things, connecting with one another, and painting our way into an exciting new chapter. Let's get started. That's cute. How are you? Thank you for being here. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Stop, that's us.
Yes.
That is 90s, mid to late 90s, right?
Early 2000s.
It's early 2000s?
Yes.
It's funny, I can always tell by what I'm wearing. Wow,
So that was
look at this. Early 2000s. That's wild.
Yes.
Where was this?
U of H.
Okay.
It was at the Association of Women in Communications meeting.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
So I graduated.
Hey everybody. I just want to make a real quick announcement, and oh my gosh, they have a monitor too. This is crazy. I just want to thank you for coming. Thank you for making time in your schedule to be here and to do something fun together and get to know one another. And if I haven't had a chance to meet you personally yet, please, before the painting session ends, come to me so we can exchange and talk and I can get to know you, and just thank you for being here. But I love women who say yes to different things. And I will tell you that just a little bit that I've seen in the women who joined me on the Greece trip, and we're starting this new series of doing things. Not everything will be able to include viewers, but I hope to be able to as often as I can. And what I see in the process is this incredible discovery and a sense of bravery and a sense of, oh my gosh, I got outside of my comfort zone and I never thought I would do this, but I'm doing it. And then you're quickly going to find that you guys are very like-minded and you will connect with women. And I'm already here. I know quite a few are from Houston. I've heard a couple are from Plano, a couple are from Fort Worth. So, you know, take your time to introduce yourselves to one another. You may make a new friend here in the painting class. So thank you for being here. And I am so excited to paint with you. So yay! I forgot to tell you what we're painting today. They have, Painting with a Twist has a massive catalog of art. So I looked through and I wanted to find something that I thought hopefully would speak to everybody in the room. And I landed on this, and it's called Uprooted. And I loved it because I think we can all say that at some point in our lives we've been uprooted, whether by our choice or not. And sometimes it's a crazy sort of flying feeling where you could be scared as heck, but you also feel like it's an almost out-of-body experience while you're uprooted. And I love that because it just has this sort of freeing feeling to being uprooted. And that's how I like to look at it. So no matter where you are in your life's journey, I mean, I'm clearly uprooted. I've only been up here for a year, but that's kind of how I felt in the process, and I loved it, and I hope it resonates with you. It's called What's Next, Dominique? And I wanted to create a series about things like this, about getting outside the box, about trying new things, about exploring different things. And this one has already said for her 30th birthday next year, she wants to fly out of an airplane. Well, oh gosh, it is this year. You're right. So in June of this year, we're probably jumping out of a plane. So stay tuned. And now I put that out there.
Anybody's first time here, first time painting? Okay, all right, welcome, all right. This is acrylic paint, so with that being said, it'll come out your hair, your skin, your nails, with your clothing. It's very hard to come out of, so if you have long sleeves, you might want to roll your sleeves up. All right, we should have 3 brushes. If your instrument to your right or your left, I don't know, on right or left on some. I want everybody to raise your brushes in the air. Repeat after me. This is art, so repeat after me. These are my brushes.
These are my brushes.
I promise not to paint on my neighbor.
I promise not to paint on my neighbor.
I promise not to paint on my neighbor's painting.
Promise not to paint on my neighbor's painting.
Without permission.
Without permission.
I promise to be unique.
I promise to be unique.
I promise to be creative.
I promise to be creative.
This is my painting.
This is my painting.
And I'll paint how I want to paint.
I'll paint how I want to
All
paint.
right, good job. Next clear brushes, we're going to just grab blue. We'll start with. So big scoop of blue. Big scoop of blue. All right, and we're going to start off at the very top of our canvas. That blue. Going from left to right. That little top portion right here with blue. We're going to darken it up a little bit, so we're going to add just a little bit of black, all right? Now, we don't have to clean our brushes. We're just going to kind of dab a little bit of the corner of your brush with the black.
Okay, show us yours.
Okay, there you go.
This looks beautiful. Have you ever done an art class like this before?
I done one.
Okay,
I did
so you
one.
kind of knew what to expect.
Right, and I did a little water painting.
Okay, wait, what did you say about yours?
I made a dandelion, so I'm trying to fix it.
Do you know what it reminds me of? It's actually a beautiful version of the thing they put over your head when you're at the hair salon.
Oh.
I wish they looked that good. Yes, I wish they looked that good.
Yeah, right?
It's
so yeah, I'm trying to
beautiful.
actually.
What do you think?
Yeah, it was fun.
Was it fun?
Yeah, I get a little like too perfectionist on this sometimes.
Yeah.
'Cause I have done this in the past.
Okay.
And I was just like, oh, it's just not going the right way. But yeah,
I think it's stunning. Do you feel happy with
I
it?
do. I do.
Good.
Like it. Yeah. There's probably more I could always kind of touch up as, but I was like, no, if I keep doing that,
Yes.
then I'm just gonna
right. It just
make-
gets worse. It gets
yeah.
worse.
So I was like, okay, we'll just stop. But yeah,
But you
I
know
like
what?
it.
I love what you said about letting go of that perfectionism.
Yes.
Because I think we all feel like we've got to perform
Yes.
to a certain level. And once you release that, you actually enjoy
Yes.
and have a really good time with
Yes.
the experience.
Yes.
This was really fun.
Good.
This brought the creative side of me out. I'm a perfectionist, so it was like I'm out of the lines. So it's kind of, I feel like it's centered. I don't know.
Yes.
It's the word I'm finding. So yeah.
But it's kind of liberating. You're the
It
second
is.
person that used the word perfectionist.
Perfectionist.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And it's hard to let go of that.
It is.
Yes.
It is. Yeah. I like to follow the lines and stay within the lines.
Right.
Yeah.
And this is getting us outside of that.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did a beautiful job. Do you
Thank
feel good about it?
I do.
Good.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you came.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, it was a lot of fun.
Was it? Did you,
Yeah.
when you first looked at the image, did you think, okay, I've got this in me, or I'm not so sure?
No, I thought I'm not so sure.
Yeah. How do you feel after?
It's okay.
I think it's better than okay. I think it's beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
What's next, Dominique?
Woo! Thanks, you guys. Thank you. Thank you. So nice to meet you all.